how to use PowerPoint slide zoom for interactive presentation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to enhance your PowerPoint presentation by using the zoom transition? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft presentation and then go to the transitions option on the ribbon and then search for the zoom option. You can just tap on the drop down and look for it. You can see zoom under exciting. Uh, the previous slide zooms forward and disappears, revealing the current slide. So this is how it will be. Just tap on zoom so you can see the preview. Uh, and you can just tap on apply to all, and the zoom feature will be applied to all the slides in the presentation. You can even change the duration. You can even put in the sound according to your wish, and then that's it. Now this is what your slide will look like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.